Hello everyone! Today I will share with you how to crochet a Santa Claus motif. So, for this I am using these yarns and a size 3 crochet hook. Now, first take the yarn in your hand and make a magic ring. I crochet 3 chains. In addition to these 3 chains, I crochet 11 regular double crochets. We have completed it. Skip one, skip one. Continue crocheting regular double crochets. The row is finished. Join by inserting the hook into the top of the third chain. Crochet 1 chain and cut the yarn. Okay, we have secured our stitch. In this row, crochet 2 double crochets into each stitch. Continue with chain stitches. Crochet until the end of the row. At the beginning, join by inserting the hook into the first double crochet we made. Crochet 3 chains. Skip 1 stitch and make a slip stitch into the next stitch. Crochet 3 chains, then slip stitch, continue this way. Here we go, crochet 1 chain and turn the work back. Inside this space, crochet 1 single crochet and 3 regular double crochets. Again, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 3 regular double crochet and 1 single crochet. Make a slip stitch here. Crochet 3 chains, slip stitch again, 3 chains, 1 slip stitch, again 3 chains and a slip stitch. Continue this way. Okay, crochet 1 chain and turn back. Inside the space, crochet 1 single crochet and 3 regular double crochets. Crochet 2 chains and turn the work back. make a slip stitch, crochet 3 chains, insert the hook into the next double crochet and make a slip stitch. Crochet 3 chains, make another slip stitch, crochet 1 chain and fill the space with 1 single crochet, 3 regular double crochets and 1 single crochet. Now, take the yarn and pass it to the bottom part. Secure the stitch. At the very bottom, crochet 4 regular double crochets. Then make chain stitches 1, 2, 3. Next, crochet single crochets, 3 single crochets and insert into the last point, making 4 single crochets. Crochet 1 chain and turn back. Skip the first stitch at the bottom and insert into the next stitch. Crochet 3 single crochets again. Chain stitches 3 in total. Crochet 2 regular double crochets. Make the last 2 stitches with chain stitches. Alright, crochet 1 chain and turn back. Continue this section with single crochet. Skip the first single crochet, insert into the next one. Crochet 6 single crochets and 4 slip stitches. Crochet 1 chain, make 5 single crochets. Crochet 3 chain stitches. Insert into this section and make a slip stitch. Crochet 1 chain. Now the Santa Claus motif is ready. I have also attached the eyes, nose and pom-pom. Thank you very much for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye for now.